Hey folks, if you're looking for a chicken soup recipe that's going to stand out above the rest, you just found the right one. This recipe is very special, it's delicious, and when you try it, you're going to have a new favorite for your recipe box. Well, howdy folks, I'm Stuart Trotter and this is Texas Cooking Today. Hey, what you're going to be making today is going to be some delicious food, and this is one of my recipe videos. Now, if you get to the end of this and you're wondering how to pull off this, that, or the other, I'll tell you what, there's another show on this very same recipe. It's one of my tutorials. So I'll tell you what, it'll be the next episode after this one. Take a look at that. Those are really full of information. Now guys, thank you for watching. Let's get right into making this. Well, there it is, guys. You've seen it. It's a beautiful chicken soup. Now, we're going to get in the kitchen and get busy making this up. But something that you need to know in advance. Sometimes when I do a recipe, I don't already have the recipe done prior to filming. Today is one of those days. I'm just going to go in the kitchen and cook. I want to show you how to invent a beautiful chicken soup. Now, I can do this because I've got years of experience doing this very thing. I develop recipes. So guys, let's get in the kitchen. Let's get busy making some delicious chicken soup. Come on, let's go. All right, guys. In this pot, I've got some chicken, and I'm going to put some water in here, and we're going to get it cooked up. As that's starting to come up in temperature, I'm going to cut up these vegetables, and then we're going to get busy assembling everything. So, no time to waste. Let's get right at it. Ooh, yeah. Okay, guys, now as you see here, the birds are covered with water. I have a high flame underneath it, and we're going to bring it up in temperature and cook those birds down while I get the vegetables cut. There it is, guys. We have a bunch of carrots. Our 6 carrots all cut up into 1/4-inch thick slices. Just do yours that way. Now take your onions, go ahead and cut them down, quarter them, and then slice them into little slices like this. And they're ready for your soup. Now if you would take those limes, just quarter them down like I've done here, and cut them in half, and you're ready to go. Guys, we have our birds coming to a boil, and in just a moment, as I get the rest of the scum off of this, I'm going to put in our vegetables and get busy cooking it all up together. Well guys, we have all of our vegetables down in this now, and I have my thyme down in here on a string. I have my tarragon down in this. I just need to get it stirred in, covered. This is going to come to temperature. We're going to simmer it until the meat falls off of the bone on those beautiful, beautiful little birds. So the next thing I need to do, we're going to be breaking this garlic down. I'm just going to crush it and throw it right in there. The limes go in a little bit later, and we can salt this at any time. There we go, guys. That is up and cooking. It's only going to be about an hour and a half before those birds have cooked down to where they will fall off the bone. Remember, that's what we're looking for, fall off the bone tender. If the bird comes apart easily, it's ready, okay? So give it time, there's no rush. Well guys, when your chickens have had about 90 minutes of cooking, you want to pull them down out of that pot and give them a little bit of time to cool off so you can strip the meat from the bones. Alright guys, let's get our thickener in here. Now you don't want to just pour this in, you need to mix it in. Alright. Guys, this soup is thickened up, finished up, and ready to be served up. So I'm dropping the heat, and let's pull up a bowl of this beautiful, majestic soup. Now guys, there it is. Beautiful, beautiful bowl of soup. I want to take this soup, I want to pluck the leaves from some cilantro and drop that down in there, just very gently. And then a fresh squeeze of that lime. Guys, what we had in this recipe, so you'll know the exact amounts. I used 2 22-ounce Cornish hens in the pot there, 2 medium yellow onions, 6 medium carrots, 6 cloves of garlic, 2 limes, about 4 to 6 sprigs of thyme, some salt, and about a teaspoon of tarragon. That's all there was to it. Gives you a lot of delicious. Oh man, that is just delicious. Wow. If you ever wanted a chicken soup that really stands out above the rest, well, we've got one right here, guys. Beautiful, beautiful chicken dish. When you try this chicken soup, you're going to be thinking, wow, that is a fantastic recipe. I'm going to add it to my recipe list. So guys, wait till you try this one. You're really going to be surprised. And now you know what it's like to watch me just invent one right in front of you. What is the one difference I would make on this dish? Well, here it is. What I would do different about this is maybe throw those carrots and onions in 30 minutes into cooking the chicken. Okay, so it shortens the cooking time on them just a little bit. That's the only change I would make. Other than that, it is a fantastic, delicious chicken soup, and I am going to put this one in my keepers list. So guys, thank you for watching Texas Cooking Today for this episode. If you would, please take a look at the channel, see if there's some other recipes that you want to try out, and you might be surprised at what you find. And folks, if you would do one last thing for me, just have a good day. Bye-bye. Well guys, once again, thank you very much for watching this show, for watching Texas Cooking Today. If you would, please go to my channel, check things out there. Please subscribe if you haven't done so already. I've got stuff coming out every single Thursday, so watch closely. There's some really good stuff coming your way. And thank you again for watching Texas Cooking Today.